Good morning, everybody. This is from 9 Flagstaff Road in Suva. Just me and my kids at home. Our dad is abroad. We woke up to this morning, opened our house. Our front door was open to a bare house. Front door was open up to the back door. Everything stolen. All the food, all teen stuffs, even up to our dishes is all empty. They even took out all the curtains from our house. TV, radio, laptop, computer, all gone. Good, they couldn't leave the washing machine. They would have if they could have. Everything gone, even the curtains. Curtains in our toilet, all gone. Sa santa mata viva kalolong takira sa tunggo. Kom da na aircon lom ni room kan aircon leletike. Don't be scared. All my kids' shoes, how they came in. We got double doors. They still managed to come in. They used the pinch bar outside to break open this here, this fence. They used this chair to climb. Open the grill like that. Managed to open the door. They came in and took everything. All the cups gone.
Good, my water bottle. My
Yeah. We came in on butako for a living. Woo! Even crack that. Came in on butako for a living. You live a sad life. Stop living off other people's sweat.